into an actual 3D model that looks same as your image. And the best part is you don't even have to do anything. If that sounds like something you'd want to try, why don't you watch this video? So Microsoft recently launched their new model Trellis 2, which lets you generate 3D model using an image. And it can vary from all sorts of categories like detailed model, geometries, transparent, hard surface, different materials, etc. So if you want to access this cool model, just follow along. So go to Hugging Faces and here you can search for the name Trellis and you'll see this right here. So click on that and all you have to do is drop your image and it will generate a 3D model for you. So I'm going to be using an image which I previously had made because I was creating a website. So I have that without any background. So this is the image that I'm talking about, the Morse code, and I've uploaded it. So here's what it looks like. Next, you can select the resolution. I'll keep this at 1024 pixel. And now you have this texture size, which you can reduce or increase. I'm going to leave these settings to default and click on this generate option and it will start this process. So let's wait for it. So here's our result and now you have the options to change the render views from down here. These are all the modes. So you can play around and change the different render modes. This is the clay render. This one is the normal one. This is metallic one. And I think it looks the best in this one. And now you have this slider which you can use to change the view of your model. So you can slide it around and it will turn accordingly. So once your model is ready, you can go ahead now extract it in GLP format. Click on this button right here. So this is the extracted GLP. You can see we can move it around and check out our model that is generated. And now to actually use it, you can go ahead, download this GLP, access it through any software and actually use your 3D model. You can also check out different examples which will provide the image that you can use to generate 3D models. So that was how you can take your normal image and turn it into a high quality 3D model that looks as real as it can get. So what are you waiting for? Turn your images into 3D models.